In today's video, I've got a very special update, and that involves a project I did a full year ago. Now, that project was very unique. In fact, it was the only video of its kind on YouTube that involved renovating a lawn without any water at all. Now, can you imagine putting down grass seed and never watering it once? I mean, no hoses or sprinklers or any other kind of water that you have to put down. But in that video, I did a real project in my yard that was a half acre of lawn that was just dirt, weeds, and destroyed. But I renovated it in place without ever watering it once, and I got fantastic results. But I got a lot of people that said it would never last, it wouldn't make it through a summer, and this video is the answer to that. I am going to show you that same space a full year later, and you can decide if it was a success or a failure. Putting in a new lawn with water gives you a lot of benefits. You'll save money, it's better for the environment, and in my case, you may not just have access to water and it's your only choice. But you also benefit because it's a lot less work. You don't have to go out there all day to water, but it does involve some planning. So in the upper right-hand corner is my step-by-step video where I did this and it worked very well. If you watch this, I'll tell you all the things that I did and the products that I used to get there. Now, the second part of this is you have to decide what will work for you. If you're in a super hot part of the country, this obviously will not work, but you probably couldn't grow grass even if you had water. And you can certainly experiment on a small portion of your yard. And it was a beautiful day in October 2018 that you see here. Now, this was the end result of that waterless lawn project and what it looked like, and it really came out great. This was the very first cutting after about 6 weeks of growth. So the grass was really tall. I certainly was breaking the 1/3 cutting rule, but all in all, I couldn't have been happier because it just looked awesome. And you've got to remember, I never watered it at all. Now, one question some eagle-eyed viewers asked me was about those trees on the right. Now, those things are river birches, and they're known for needing a lot of water when you plant them. Now, they were planted 1 year earlier before I did this lawn renovation, and what I did was I actually brought 5-gallon buckets up every day in the Kubota and I watered them by hand. Now, certainly the Kubota makes it a little easier, but it was a real pain of a job. But I spent so much money on those trees and time digging the holes that I did not want to lose them. And here's another close-up from last year of the grass. Overall, it looks great. It's certainly not a perfect lawn, and you're never going to have a perfect lawn without some water. But in this case, I had no access to it, and you might be somebody that just doesn't want to spend the money or the effort. So you can still get a great result like this, just like you're seeing here. But now let's look at what it looks like in October 2019. And after a very hot summer, now we come to October 2019, 1 year later. And from this angle, it's looking pretty good, but there's a lot more to show you. And as you can see, it's early fall and we're just starting to lose leaves. We've got a ton of those pine needles on the ground because we just had a big windstorm. But as I'm starting to mow, you're seeing a very similar image to last year, and it's still looking great. And here's something that I did mid-summer when I knew the heat was starting to crank up. I put down the special formula that I mixed up and developed that really seemed to help. Now, I made a video that you can see in the upper right-hand corner for this that shows you how it all works, but it got a ton of positive comments from people that had the same type of results. And the point of this is that it was designed to be kind of like a heat protection formula, and I found that my own test, it really made a big difference, and I don't think I could have asked for better results. So the goal of this video was to show you this project a year after it was done. It was successful a year ago, and it did very well through an extremely hot summer here in New England. But now you can hopefully have some more confidence that if you do this project, you have a very good chance of having the exact same results that I did. And if you watch the other video, I will take you through that project step by step so you know exactly what to do and what products to use. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos coming up.